Hi, on my last video I've shown you why the power station wants to step up the voltage and transmit the power source. Afterwards, it has to step down to 230 volt and then transmit the power to the resident houses. Now this video has another interesting topic. You see there are some bursts standing on the electric wires. Why the burst won't be short? The electric wires are very high power voltage, which is 230,000 volt. Why the burst can stand over there without any problem? If you look at the circuit, this is an AC circuit. This terminal is 230,000 volt. Actually, the bursts are standing here or here. It doesn't matter because there are no current pass through. This is not a complete circuit. Likewise, if a person uses his both hands handling on one of the wire, it's okay. Same, if the person using the both hands handling here, it's no problem. Even though there is a very high voltage at here, there is no voltage potential difference at here. So it will be same. But how about if a person one hand is holding in one electric wire and the other hand is holding on another wire? What will happen? He will die immediately. He will be shocked. Just like that. One hand is holding one terminal, another hand is holding another wire. This will be a complete circuit. The current is passed through its body and go back to the power source. This is the current. You can calculate how much of the current will pass through his body. Assume the resistance of the human body is 23 kΩ. According to Ohm's law, V equal to I times R. I equal to V over R. V is 230K and the resistance is 23K. So current I equal to 10 amp. 10 amp of the current will pass through his body. So he must be shocked and he will die. Another situation is even though the person is standing on the ground, if he uses a metal rod, he uses a long metal rod to touch this wire. This is a metal rod. What will happen? It's the same. This end is 230,000 volt. Another end is touched to the ground. Here is 0 volt. He stands at the ground 0 volt, but he used a metal rod to touch the wires. That means that this is the resistance. He also created a complete circuit. Current will pass through. So he also will die. The burst won't die because the bursts are standing on one wire only. No current pass through even though it is high voltage. It's not a complete circuit. But in this situation, it is a complete circuit. This situation is also a complete circuit because he used both hands to hand on different wires. He will create a circuit here. The current will pass through in this way. Another situation is the current will pass through from here to here, to the ground. Both situations also will be solved. This is today's lesson. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye-bye.